Hi, welcome to Afi's Cafeteria. Today we are going to make miniature refrigerator magnets. We are going to make a tiny version of these succulent plants. For this we need glue gun, bottle caps, plastic spoon, jute rope, oasis, scissors. I'm taking plastic cap of this perfume bottle and an ounce cup of this medicine. And from this spoon, I'm gonna cut the neck of the spoon so that it looks like a cup. We also need some tiny magnets for doing this. These are easily available in any stationery shop and this is also available in Amazon. Now I'm gonna apply some glue on this bottle cap. Roll this very tightly as there is no gaps in between each line. Here I have made few of these tiny succulent pots. For giving a smooth look, I'm gonna burn this jute rope like this. By doing this, it is possible to get rid of all the fluffs and fuzzes on this jute rope. Now I'm gonna cut a small piece of this oasis and I'm gonna fill this oasis in this cap. I'm gonna take few succulent plants from this. These are artificial succulent plants. Now I'm gonna fix this magnets with the help of a glue gun. I'm gonna take one magnet from this and I'm gonna fix it. Now our mini succulent refrigerator magnets are ready. This one I have done with the help of a cotton rope. Now let's fix this on our refrigerator. I hope you all like this little video of mine. Thanks for watching. With lots and lots of love, Craftiteria.